Welcome to the French Drain Man channel, where we show the DIY guy and the homeowner who's shopping for a yard drainage system the correct way to building a French drain system. Now, one of the more controversial topics in the industry is fabrics for drainage systems, and especially in clay. Clay seems to be the sticking point where there's a lot of controversy. Well, there's hundreds and hundreds of fabrics out there, and if you don't use the right one, you will not get the results you're looking for. But however, you do need to use this fabric in clay, whether it's gravel or whether you're using the NDS peanut pipe. You know, they're easy flow. So NDS has a lot of engineers. They put a lot of money and time into what they do. So here we are. We got, are there special steps to installing the Easy Drain if I have a lot of clay in my soil? So if you're watching this video, you're on YouTube already, go to Easy Drain French Drain Tips for Installing in Clay Soils. It's only 48 seconds long. And it goes on to say if you don't use an additional fabric, the clay will clog the Easy Flow. So there you have it. I mean, the fabric on the Easy Flow is not good enough the way it comes for clay. It needs additional fabric put in, which I agree with 100%. I believe the fabric that's holding the peanuts in, that's rated at like 300 gallons per square foot. That's an insane rating. I mean, that's like a screen door, and I could see how clay would clog it. So when I researched it a little bit and looked into it, that's what I came up with. That's what they had available on the website. And yes, I endorse the fabric in clay. You have to use it. Gravel or the styrofoam, it don't matter. If you want a system that's going to last, you want a system that's going to work and not going to clog, the clay's not going to clog it, you have to use the DOT approved fabric for road construction. If you want a French drain installed the right way, subscribe and view our channel. We have a lot of videos for the how-to guy. And if you're looking for this service in North Oakland County and North Macomb County, Michigan, give us a call.